PDYN stock analysis and PDYN stock prediction. Is it a buy? Is it not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Palladyne AI is interesting, and I say this not in like a bad way or anything, but it's just that I'm actually quite excited about it. You know, with 3% increase, my side, not just like this lower time frame one that I called out on the long side, a higher time frame one, which is a current winner. You know, it's a winning currently. I've been bullish ever since it was like 588 a month ago. I expect to kind of come even lower, tapped $5, and now it's 790, almost 8, which is very good. How I'm looking at this sort of level here is hoping to see the price pull down and give me some sort of a double break, right? So only if I do see it giving me some sort of a shift, then I'm going to be buying. The last thing I'm going to do is randomly start buying, right? So that's how Palladyne AI is looking like. I have the top here. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free email.